guys, I've got a little unboxing today of some items I've received from GNC makeup products, and it's sustainable, even the packaging. I'm going to go through each item I've got, getting a nice little pouch to keep it in, which I think is fabulous. So first of all, let's have a little look. We've got Straight Flush, where I will be showing you guys in the coming days my makeup routine using these dainty little size. Oh, love a blush that's on a stick. Nice and subtle, not nice. Lovely fade and that blends in really nicely. We have got Seriously Jelly 24-hour hydrating lip colour. Oh, it's a nice colour, isn't it? Oh, isn't that lovely? It's like a mauve colour. Got a nice sheen to it. Very nice. Let's see what's next. Matte liquid eyeshadow and metallic liquid eyeshadow. So let's have a look. Nice taupey colour. Now these are for mature skin. So that's quite subtle, as you can see there. I will try that on my eyes soon. Nice shimmer to that one. That's really pretty, and that stays put flat. So again, I will be full testing that and seeing, because I don't know about you girls, I get creasing with my eyeshadows. Right, what else have we got? So there's a mascara in brown. That looks good. A brow powder gel. Looks a good colour for me. There's a lip liner, a nude colour. It's a good colour, goes on easily. And look, as you can see, I'm rubbing it there, and it's not budging, so that's a good sign. And then there is an eyeliner, and the eyeliner is brown as well, and that's a lovely colour. Let's try it here. Nice thin line. Let's see what the smudge test is like for this one. That's going to stay in par. I will do a makeup tutorial someday with these products. Watch out for them. But thank you, GNC, for letting me try these amazing products out. Can't wait.